Hello folks, welcome back. This one's going out for Glen Blackwell over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. Nice request, this one. Suede. I don't think I've done a suede lesson, or maybe I've done one. I'm not actually sure, but not many. And this is a great one. Trash. Some really cool guitar playing. Nice tones. What's not to like? Tuning though, you've got to go down half a step if you want to play along with the album. So you can tune to me. This is the Espada Ambient, by the way. You'll have probably seen this in a bunch of other videos. Really cool. I'm using middle pickup. And it's got these kind of like foil pickups. They sound great for this. I'm also using a new pedal from Soundlad Liverpool. It's called Nice One. It's a preamp pedal which sounds like this for the most part. Just adding a little bit of grit and shaping the sound a bit, making it a bit twangy. For the solo, I think it was recorded direct. So I've got the Walrus Audio 385, which kind of gets you into that ballpark. For all that stuff. Okay, so those are the settings for that. I wouldn't suggest that this is really easy to play either. There's some really cool things going on, but it's, it might take a little bit of getting used to. So the first part, it's all in C with some melodic bits. That's E minor. We go to this F. It's like an F major 7, that is. That sort of stuff. Again. Then we get this D. And up here. And you're just bending the whole chord up. Like so, okay? That is a G, just the top part of a G, so D to G. Right, if you don't want to play it, with all the funky stuff, just play C. To E minor. To F. To D. G. You could just play that if you want. That's the simple version. But I imagine you're here because you want to get it right as they play it, right? So we have. Let's stop there because there's a few bits going on. You could fret it here. But when I do that, I always catch that top note. So I play. And you've got 1, 2, and you play, put the 6th fret on, and then a little whack. And then you roll it back off. Okay? Then you're going to do an open C. You do 2 of those before. So 2 on the 3rd fret there, that D. Pull off. 1 to 0. And they open G, right? And then you go to the E minor. One more time slowly. And then when you go to the E minor, you're gonna get your little finger involved. Then same fill as the C. And when we go to the F, I'm only doing the top part here because you need your little finger to do this. It's the same rhythm as before, right? So, where were we? F. You need your little finger there on that 3rd fret. So you could do thumb over the top, but you do want that open E to ring out. So I just abandon the low two notes, low two strings rather, and just play the top 4. Okay, so try and ring those out if you can. Then you go to the D. Note the rhythm change. Straight 8th notes, then 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and you're going to note that little sus4. Then up to the G, and you play like that. Let's play the whole thing through slowly once, and then we'll move on, right? That's it, 4 times of that. Then you go to the chorus part. Quite low in the mix this, but I think it's... You know, and then... all that stuff, right? So, let's back up and do the first part. It's a C, I think. So we have... It's G minor then, right? So... So it's you pluck it, bend it up, back down, and then you go 5th fret. Quite tricky that. I use my little finger on the 5th fret and I fret these two because you want the open E to come out. There's an F. Okay, so you'd have... That's just a half step bend and release. Got this minor chord here, so we have... And then you go 7 down here, okay? So it's like all on the 4 and, right? Where you're changing. So you play that all round once. The second time though, coming out of this part, we go... Comes up here and you're playing... And that's what I think's going on. So you play up to the 10th fret. And then you do another verse and chorus, and then we're into the solo. The solo part's cool. So let me play that through. We go. That the second time round it goes. So you've got first finger on the 13th fret. 2, 3, 4, 1, but with some whammy. Okay, and then you go. That's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and then down. 1 2 3 4 1. Same rhythm as before. Then we go. So we go 14. Slide from the 10th back up to the 14th. And you go this little up a full step there. And then It's a wonderful solo. It really is good. And then you're going to play that round again. Okay, that last part though is slide. Slides back down to the 12th. Then you go back into the chorus again, and then it plays about 4 times and then fades out from there. That, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.